Morning, afternoon, evening people, welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony, this is Teddy. We're over at the allotment today. We're planting leeks. Now today is the 16th of June, which happens to be my birthday. So these leeks, multi-sowen leeks. Why I'm planting leeks middle of June, I hear you say? They're for a winter harvest. So the beauty with leeks is you can leave them in the ground. They're very hardy, and just harvest them as and when you want them all winter. And just make sure you harvest the remainder in the spring before they bolt and go to flower. So anyway, let me show you where they're going. I'm going to show you how we separate these. So the leeks go in this bed here. It's a no dig bed, but I've dressed it with a good 3 or 4 inches of compost. That's best, just let this dry out a bit for a couple of days, and then it pops out like this. And some people dip it in water, but you don't have to. You can just separate them like this into our individual leeks. Okay, so I've separated a load of my leeks. What you want to do then is make a hole with a dimmer, like that, and then all we're going to do is pop our leek in the hole. Now the part of the leek that's below the surface is going to be that nice white bit of leek that we like to eat. So you want to get as much of it below the surface as you can. I'm going to go ahead now and get the rest of them in. You can see there the kind of spacings that I've gone for, kind of 6 inches between each plant. Unfortunately my sound messed up on this bit of the video where I was showing you the spacing, but anyway you can see the spacing there. What that does then, the action of actually watering them in kind of pushes the compost around them. So there we have it, multi-sowen leeks. We'll be having plenty of chicken and leek pies all through the winter, harvesting those leeks as and when we want them. So if you like the video useful, please do give us a big thumbs up. If you want to see more gardening videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.